Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to compress videos on your iPhone without using any third-party apps. So if your videos are taking up too much storage space, follow along step by step to shrink their file size while keeping great quality. All right, let's dive in. First, we need to create a compress video shortcut because this option isn't available in the Photos app by default. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you can't find it, swipe down on your home screen, type Shortcuts, and open the app. Once you're in the app, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Now tap the search bar and search for Encode Media, then select it. Next, tap Media and change it to Shortcut Input. After that, tap Shortcut Input again to choose how you want your videos to be compressed. You can select a fixed resolution if you always want the same output, or choose Ask Each Time so you can pick the compression size every time you use the shortcut. Now tap the search bar again and search for Save to Photos, then add that action. This makes sure your compressed video is automatically saved back into your Photos library. Next, go back to the All Shortcuts screen. Press and hold your new shortcut, then tap Rename and change the name to Compress Video so it's easy to recognize. After renaming it, press and hold the shortcut again, tap Details, then turn on Show in Share Sheet. Now your shortcut will appear whenever you tap the Share button inside the Photos app. That's it, your shortcut is ready to use. Now let's compress a video. Open the Photos app and choose the video you want to make smaller. Tap the Share button, scroll down through the menu, and tap Compress Video. Your iPhone will begin processing the video. If it's a long or high-resolution video, this may take a few moments, so just wait for it to finish. If you selected Ask Each Time, you'll now be asked to choose the output size. For example, if you're compressing a 4K video, you can choose a smaller resolution to save much more storage space. In most cases, even the smaller options still look great when viewed on an iPhone screen. While the shortcut is running, you'll see a progress indicator at the top of your screen. Once it's finished, a checkmark will appear. Now in your Photos library, you'll see a new compressed copy of your video. Tap the Info button if you want to compare the file size and resolution with the original. You'll notice the new video is much smaller while still maintaining excellent image quality. The original video also stays untouched, so if you're happy with the compressed version, you can safely delete the original to free up storage space. You can also compress multiple videos at once. Simply tap Select in the Photos app, choose all the videos you want to compress, tap Share, and run the Compress Video shortcut. And that's it. That's the easiest way to compress videos on your iPhone.